All right, let's get into it. Let's talk about the graduation present. For those who go to the Royal Prince program and graduate, we're going to talk about what is graduation. Graduation is you get your economics straight, you actually start a small business, and you actually have more money than you know what to do with. That's graduation. Graduation isn't, hey man, I went through the course. No, that's not graduation. Graduation is taking course material, using it to transform your life. So, this is Disruptive Male 5.0, and we're going to get into it. Let me tell you what's going to happen. Disruptive Male 5.0, the Lifestyle Change Package. Advanced Male Social and Relationship Mastery. This program is designed for financially stable, purpose driven men who want to transfer their romantic and social lives with the same intentionality they use to build their careers and businesses. You will learn how to recognize attraction, lead interactions, communicate with desire and confidence, and develop the presence, emotional strength, and masculine energy that naturally draw women towards you. This is not about tricks or manipulation. This is about becoming the type of men women generally want. Core transformational outcomes. By the end of this program, you will recognize when a woman is attracted to you, understand female psychology and desire and triggers, innate and lead romantic interactions confidently, communicate interest and intent without hesitation, create emotional and sexual tension appropriately, develop charismatic masculine presence, navigate dating dynamics with authority and calm, build relationships women invest in emotionally, become a passionate, confident women, become a passionate, confident man women adore. Program. Let's get into it. Get into it. The Disruptive Lifestyle Change Package. This is what you're going to get. Dating the woman you will marry. Before you get married, the financial discussion you need to have with your wife. The AI love machine, building high value relationships. And the Disruptive Male, create the life you want. And Dark Passion, mastering male dominance. I need to create a thumbnail for that. But this is all the stuff. This is your graduation present for everyone that goes through the Royal Prince program. The Disruptive Male Identity, shift from passive male to attractive leader. The difference between like men and desired men. Masculine presence versus approval seeking behavior, which is what most men are. Eliminates neediness and validation hunger. Becomes outcome independent. Internal authority and self permission. This is the result of this. Going through module 1. Women feel your confidence before you speak. Let's get into module 2. Female attraction signals. Learn to identify genuine interest immediately, quickly. Body language indicators of attraction. Eye contact patterns and engagement clues. Proximity, orientation, and touch signals. Conversational investment markers. Differentiating friendliness versus desire. You'll know when a woman wants you. Module 3. Confident initiation and approach. How to start interactions naturally and powerfully. Situation openers that feel effortless. Presence before words. Voice pacing, eye contact control, removing fear of rejection. Approach, repetition, and calibration. Result. Starting conversations, become automatic. Module 4. Masculine communication and flirting. Create tension and intrigue. Playful dominance versus politeness. Teasing and challenging dynamics. Suggestive language without awkwardness. Leading conversational direction. Express desire clearly. Women feel the chemistry with you. That's how you get that spark. Romantic leadership and escalation. More interactions toward intimacy, recognizing readiness for progression. Leading dates confidently, creating emotional closeness, physical escalation timing, sexually move forward. This is when you get the pussy. Dating strategy and selection. Choose women intentionally, screening for interest versus confidence. This is how you get the type of woman you actually want. Dating logistics and planning. Investment reciprocity. I can't even say it. Avoiding one-sided dynamics, recognizing high value compatibility. You date women who want you back. Module 7, emotional authority and masculine frame. Maintain attraction long term, emotional stability under pressure, boundaries and standards, handling tests and challenges, non reactivity and composure, react versus approval dynamics. Women respect and desire you. Module 8, passion, intimacy, and connection. Become a captivating romantic partner, emotional presence with women, passionate expression of tenderness and awareness, creating memorable experiences, maintaining attraction in relationships. Result, women feel deeply connected to you. Now, that's the core offering. The core offering. There will be more. There's a book in there. Financial conversations you need to have before you get married. There's another book, Dating the Woman Before You Get Married. That book, and then there's an AI dating course in there as well. Now, none of this is done. I've got months to get this ready. Because to graduate, you got to go through the Royal Prince program. And you got to graduate. You just cannot like take the course and like, hey man, I took the course, gonna get the disruptive. No. One of the things I'm gonna do is bring people who went through the course on YouTube to interview them and speak of their success. So you're gonna have to bring proof and receipts. This will not be like, hey, I did what you said. No. You're gonna have to prove it. Now, this disruptive male will be far more powerful than the first version. The first version wasn't as structured as this. It doesn't like, this is step 1, this is step 2. This is more progressive. And this is all the stuff I learned from my Craigslist protocols. Now, I had to learn it the hard way. It took me months and months and months to learn this. Now, once again, since I was a YouTuber and I had a lot of free time, I was able to invest the time into doing this and to get the response, run the benchmark test. Yes, benchmark test. I ran benchmark tests and get all this information together for you. So this course will be much more beneficial. Now, for those of you who don't like my raw and dirty content, that's when I let you listen to the video of me getting my dick sucked. Let you listen to the video of a girl begging to suck my dick. How would you like your life to be like that? How would you like to have those interactions? Because someone left a comment, I thought it was vulgar. Here's the thing. This is something that most black folks are not used to seeing. A black man with power. Just not used to it. It's the strangest. I remember this one chick I met on Craigslist years and years ago. I don't even know. She wasn't white. She wasn't black. She was like black, white, and Asian, a mixture, right? And we were out there talking. And this is, we got to the point where the relationship evolved past the sexual dynamics. And we're out having lunch one day, and she said, "You're just really different than most black men." And I was like, "What do you mean? Why do you say that?" She's like, "It's just very different. You have a different, it's just something very different about it. It's very attractive." So I want you, for those who admire me, for those of you who want to have that type of life, because here's the thing. First, we get your economics together. And the way this is set up, you have no choice. There's no way you can go around it. You have to go through the program, you have to graduate, and you have to demonstrate that because here's the thing. You go through the Royal Prince program and you come on the other side. Like what I was trying to show you with the Nick Saban, and most people didn't want to watch that. They didn't want to watch, NFL player after NFL player after NFL player after NFL player, Heisman Trophy winner, Heisman Trophy winner, Heisman Trophy winner. In that video, there was 3 Heisman Trophy winners. Derrick Henry, Devontae Smith, and Bryce Young. In that video, 3 Heisman Trophy winners, right? So a lot of you didn't want to watch that video because we're getting to the point where we're bringing the pain. We're getting to the point where we're actually activated. We're getting to the point where we're bringing things that are very, very different, really, really different. So a lot of y'all been asking for disruptive male content. It's about to make a comeback with some handcuffs. You don't do the work, you don't do the course, you don't get the content. I wish I had this insight, because once I made the first disruptive male, I didn't know what was going to happen. I actually thought that men would go ahead and do the economic part and get the, no, jumped all over that and went straight to the pussy. Now I know how people will act. I know how people will govern themselves. So this program will be available to all of my students. The students who go through the Royal Prince program, students who go through the Kingdom program. So I'm not going to rush to develop this because, like I said, I got months to make this, because you've got to go through the program and start getting some results. You got to do that. So I feel that, number one, a lot of stuff I talk about in these videos, this emerged from the Craigslist protocols. And when I say Craigslist, you notice people make fun of that. You know why they make fun of that? Because there's no one else mentioning the Craigslist protocols. That is my invention. That is my intellectual property. People used to copy my ads. They were so damn good. So you got folks who laugh, right? I want you to understand, like, when the internet was trying to come after me, I was easily able to meet women, easily able to enter into sexual relations. Didn't stop a damn thing. But here's the thing. Let me go back to that comment. A black man with power. Most of you are not used to seeing that. And it scares the shit out of you, because typically when you get to a level where you have power, that means you have a lot of responsibility. You have a ton of responsibility. And that's one of the things that so many of you are so afraid of, responsibility. So you see power, and behind that power is a lot of responsibility. And that's why you're like, I don't know if I want that, because I don't want to be responsible. I'm going to tell you, being responsible is a great thing. The benefits are like that. The benefits are like that. So go ahead, keep being a bum, a man with no direction, a man with no purpose, a man with no agency. Yeah, so you can keep coming here to YouTube or TikTok or all these places and complain and bitch and whine, and begin the process of changing your life. Begin that transformation. Like this time next year, you're out on a date. You'll be on a date with a woman you want to be on a date with. My friend Dina, she peeped this years ago. The number of men who are with women, there's a show that's like The Conversation with these dating people, and the number of women that come up there like, my man won't claim me. He don't want you. You're not what he wants. I have not dated a woman that I did not want. I think I was in the military. No, the military was kind of fun. The military was kind of dope. It didn't really happen a lot. That's why I'm having a hard time remembering. To date a woman that I don't want to be with, to date a woman that it's really, I have to go way back. But this is what's happening. So you got a choice. Disruptive Male, $1,500 from now until the 1st of March. And the 1st of March, the program goes up to $2,500 to $3,000. Why? I can get that kind of money for Disruptive Male by itself. That's why. So if you want to be part of the party, and then we have our webinar, the 1st of March, 2:30. Be there. And then we're going to break out the one-on-one sessions. Like literally, I've got a calendar that's filling up with students, because one of the things I realized early on that a lot of my students need one-on-one help. And I was like, you know what? Fortunately, I don't have that many. So I'm in a position where I can do this. And then let's say we're for disruptive mail I could take 50 students easy, because it's going to be the group coaching and it's going to be one conversation. Probably take me 6 weeks to have a conversation with everybody, but it's a one-time conversation. It's not like with my Kingdom Pro students. So I fully expect, I'm thinking 30 to 40 signups before the end of the month. That's kind of where my mind is. I already had 5. So, because this is what's going to happen. The closer we get to Judgment Day, that's like literally, I had one program, I made $50,000 in one day because everyone waited till the last day to get in there. So this may happen. I don't know. But let me know your thoughts and opinions.